Hi guys, BRN Contracting here with a model review of the Diecast Masters Cat 259D skid steer or track skid steer loader, or compact tracked skid steer loader, whatever you'd like to go by. Uh, yes, this is made in 1/50th scale. There are two configurations. There is the compact tracked and there is the wheeled skid steer. As you can see here, this is the tracked unit, and overall, very nice model. Great job by Diecast Masters. So, has a quick coupler, functioning quick coupler. As you can see back here, we have smooth edge bucket, grapple bucket, and pallet forks. Those can all fit on this here unit, and here is another smooth edge bucket that's on the machine. It's just wider than the one we have here. So let's get into the model. First of all, we'll go through functionality. So up, dump, that's not all that bad. It cannot reach a first gear dump truck or a CT660. But it still has some very nice functionality. Tracks on this unit actually roll pretty well. I don't have to put too much pressure on the unit. But anyways, let's get into some details. So details. Bucket has some cutting edge detail. We have a cat decal here. We have bob inside, some painted lights, casted windshield with windshield wiper and door handle. Coming around, we have some mesh in the inside window here. As you can see, the undercarriage has quite a bit of detail with bolt head on the sprocket, and just kind of bolt head for your rollers. Tracks do have some detail as well, as you can see. Moving along, there's a little vent inside there. Now you have another Cat 259D decal there. Coming around the back, we have casted lights that are painted as well. Reflectors on both sides of the unit. Cat decal up here, and grill that's engraved. It's the same side as the other. All around, all in all, very nice skid steer made by Diecast Masters, and I'm hoping to see a few more skid steers done by them. But that's about all. Any questions, please let me know. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.